Hello, today I'm going to talk about euphemisms. Euphemism is a word or a phrase that we use instead of one that it can hurt someone's feelings, or maybe because it's not polite, it's maybe offensive. We have a little example in here. My golden fish passed away. This girl used this phrase instead of saying my golden fish died. Because pass away is a word that means the little fish just is in a transition of another life. It means just it goes to another life. It didn't die. It didn't end up right here, and it phrase makes to the little girl feels better. The next example, I really like this example with this phrase, truth without empathy can be cruel. For example, this little boy, as you can see, it's not handsome. Maybe we can use he's ugly. But if we use this word to a little boy, we can cause emotional problems. We can make feel very sad. Instead of this little girl use, wow, your face is so unique. This phrase let him know that it's different but still unique. That's why we use this with this phrase in here. True without empathy can be cruel. The next example, we use euphemisms in companies. For example, a company broke and fired all the employees. They will not say that. They will use the company experienced a significant reduction last year. Also, if a boss wants to fire an employee, will use I am letting you go, that it sounds much better than I fired you. The next example, I can say this is the negative part, deceptive euphemism. For example, companies we have a new product, but instead of offering to people a new product, they offer the same product just with different presentation. They will use, for example, this product is natural, healthy, or something like that. But if you read the little words, you will see that they are still unhealthy. They are still with a lot of fat, with a lot of sugar, with a lot of salt, etc. That is what I can say about the euphemism. And finally, I have the bibliographic reference. Thank you very much for listening.